Step into the world of culinary delights at Prince Casey channel. Today we unveil a special edition filled with kitchen delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. Experience the vibrant aromas and mesmerizing colors of our carefully crafted dishes. With each recipe, you'll learn the art of cooking while enjoying the joy of creating mouth-watering meals. Join us in this flavorful journey and let's cook together. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be in English. You can also get subtitles of your language by pressing the CC button at the bottom of your screen. You are about to watch a complete process of making South Indian famous vegetable sambar. Ingredients we need: 150 grams of tur dal, hing or asafoetida, 2 onions and tomatoes finely chopped, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and coriander leaves to garnish. As for vegetable, you can choose any of your favorite vegetables. I have selected 50 grams each of beans, nucol, carrots, Indian radish, and potatoes. To begin the process, first wash and rinse the tur dal. Wash it till you get clear water. Now add the tur dal in a bowl along with chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic cloves in the bowl. Add all the vegetables one after the other in no particular order. Add 2 glasses of water, approximately 1 liter of water. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon sambar powder. You'll get it in any shop or metros. And now add 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix well the ingredients and you can now add a pinch of asafoetida or hing. Mix it well again. Now place the mixture in an electric cooker and select dal mode, or you can also use the regular pressure cooker till you get 2 whistles. Now let's start the tempering process. Add oil in a small frying pan. Followed by a teaspoon of mustards, jeera or cumin seeds and wait till it splatters. Now add one small onion finely chopped along with curry leaves. Fry till you get the onions dark brown. Now add this tempering into the sambar. And now add salt to taste. For finishing touch, you can now garnish the sambar with the coriander leaves finely chopped. Best way to enjoy sambar is with hot white rice, mango pickles, and of course the famous papad. You can also eat it along with dosa or idli. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this dish yourself and send me your comments and experience. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also share it with your near and dear ones. We will soon catch up with another interesting video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.